Anyway, guys, kuyasha emzini kaBheki ziyakhala bazuza. We are losing Liema, guys. Uliema, she's now turned into a mean girl, queen ya banda girls. Guys, what is going on with Liema? I feel like Uliema, she's now lost the focus. She's focusing on Thandeka and Meli because she thinks Umeli is big outside, guys. I've not seen Umeli being big outside. I wish I could give Uliema a cell phone, see what is happening outside, because now you're being mean for nothing. We've seen people walking away with 2 million without being mean, guys. I will make Junior, I will suit Gulova, Mpowa, Dim. Just simply walk away with 2 million rand. For you to be mean thinking that you're playing a game, guys, it is totally unfair for yourself, guys. You're not doing yourself justice. Right now, people, they're gonna vote for Q, guys. The letter that Uliema wrote for Q, I felt like, no, Kelly, you are being too mean. What is going on with you? You need to heal. You need to understand Umili is gone. There's no need for you to win when you don't need Millie. Like, you really don't need him. Why are you focusing on Melly? You can do your own things, and people are seeing what is going on. You don't know what is going on outside. And the problem with these people, they are busy talking about the viewers. We as viewers, we're gonna decide which one we want to take the 2 million rand. Don't need to worry about us. We're not focused on yourself. Do you? Anyway, guys, so this is the letter Uliema wrote to Q, guys. This is what she has to say. That time we have only seen you rocking 3 outfits for 6 weeks. 3 outfits for 6 weeks, Liema, what do you mean? Show us more, maybe. Also, how does it feel to live in the shadow of unliving? She was talking about Ricky saying Ogote, he's living in the shadow of Ricky OQ, guys. She went on to say this: you are still alive, but you don't live your own life. You will never be him. Hi, Liema. A little advice. She went on to say, clearly, you don't fit the category. That is why you wash 3 times a day. Hi, Bo. You are confident speaking about the fact that you will win the 2 million rand. Lol, brother, forget about that dream. Hi, Bo. I have something sweet to say. Though you will make the money outside that house, at least not here and ever. You, despite Dumi, only treated him like an ass until you saw the haircut and the smoky body. Hey guys, she went on to say that she went on again to say that if offense was still here, you know that friendship would have never happened. That's why you are and who you are. You are a user, manipulator, a game player. Makes sense why you are now close to Master and Mrs. They speak your language and your friendship makes sense. But an advice, watch out or it's going to end in tears. Also, being the only child is not excuses to come here and be selfish and finish all the food. Chill, my guy. I guess my DD get the ICK. Mr. Nice Guy, I give you that. But I hope South Africa see you. Hi, Bo. I wonder what is your game since no one wants you. Anyway, keep doing your things. It's working for you. So guys, the letter from Liema wrote to Q, guys. So on the data section, this is what the Q has to say. When big sister say, how do you feel about the letter? OQ went on to say it was too much and she was just climbing back, honestly, because she wrote the letter after hearing what I said from the radio. And what I said, I did, big sister. It's not like I was lying. I didn't beat around the bush. I said what I say and I wasn't lying. It is clear that it got into her and she decided to be bad about it. But Yane, it is what it is. He was like, I don't care what you guys are saying about me. Uliema, guys, she did apologize to Q, saying that she was sorry because she wrote the letter after hearing what UQ said on the radio. Uliema has nothing to offer. She just came here not to do anything. She's lazy. There's no game for Liema, guys. So it is what it is. So tell me what you think about it. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.